If you believe in angels, you absolutely have a team of them watching over you right now. Stay tuned while I explain more and how you can intentionally connect with them and receive their guidance. First of all, if you don't believe in angels, you still have a team watching over you. You can call them whatever you like. Divinity is with you always. And perhaps you've heard me tapping into your inner wisdom, your personal divine aspect that's there to guide you. And our angels, or some people call it a spirit team, your spirit guides, it's the same thing. We're all talking about the same things with different words. So don't let that trip you up. It's just semantics. Your angels or spirit guides are there to guide you prior to you recognizing and learning how to tap into your inner knowing. Just to be clear, we all have this team, different teams, looking out for us. But once you learn to connect with your own personal higher self or divine aspect, your inner knowing, you're not connecting with your spirit guides or your angels nearly as much because you don't need to, because you are as closely and divinely guided as you can be with your own personal inner guidance. Now, if needed, your team is always there and will swoop in and do what they can to help. But typically, once you have that personal connection going with divinity, you don't need the team helping to wake you up or helping to direct you. The job of our teams, the angels that are watching over you or the spirit guides that are with you, their job is to keep you on the right path until you've become spiritually awake and you're able to get that communication and guidance elsewhere. So when you receive guidance from them, it could just come through as a synchronicity. You may receive an opportunity out of the blue or a connection that you were meant to make. You may see it as no big deal, but frequently there's a level of divine intervention going on there to make things go in the right direction for you, to keep you on your divine path. They're there to help us. And, people question, well, if I've got to be on this path, what about free will? You still have free choice. You can choose not to follow those synchronicities or those breadcrumbs that are being left for you. You can choose that. It would be a harder path. It would be one that's not nearly as fulfilling, but you still have choice. We always have free choice, and we always have divine guidance. You just need to recognize it for what it is. So some of the ways they communicate with us, first of all, it will be just synchronicities or opportunities popping up until you start looking for it. If you know anyone who has ever picked up a card deck like tarot cards, or I personally really liked animal cards when I was trying to connect originally, and then I would see animals out, on my walks in nature and know sometimes there was a message there for me. They love to connect that way. It could be angel numbers. It could be a number of things. Whatever you feel called to, lean into it. Now, if you are in pursuit of a spiritual awakening, or if you're already really clear with your claircognizance coming in or your inner knowing being strong, you don't have to look for messages from your angels or your spirit team. You don't need that because you're already divinely guided. So I just want to be clear on why they're there and when they come in to help, and really clear that you do have a divine team looking out for you. So don't worry if you feel like you're not connecting with your inner knowing yet. work on that skill and just know that your angels or your spirit guides are still looking out for you. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.